the 1000W folding electric bike with a 48V 20.8AH large removable battery is an impressive piece of engineering that seamlessly blends convenience and performance. Designed for urban commuters and adventure seekers alike, this e-bike packs a powerful punch while maintaining a compact design that allows for easy storage and transport. From the moment you unpack the bike, the attention to detail is apparent. The frame is constructed from high-strength aluminum alloy, providing a sturdy yet lightweight structure. Weighing in at about 66 pounds, it strikes a balance between robustness and portability, perfect for those who may need to carry it upstairs or store it in a limited space. The folding mechanism is smooth and intuitive, allowing you to fold the bike in seconds. When folded, it occupies less space than a standard suitcase, making it ideal for apartment dwellers or those who need to take their bike on public transportation. One of the standout features of this electric bike is its powerful 1000W motor. With a peak output that can reach an impressive 30+ miles per hour, it offers an exhilarating ride experience, especially for those looking to make their daily commutes faster and more enjoyable. The motor provides a responsive throttle, allowing for instant acceleration, which is particularly useful when navigating through city traffic. Whether you are cruising over city streets or tackling steep inclines, the motor's performance is reliable and consistent. The 48V 20.8AH removable battery is another highlight of this bike. It provides a substantial range, allowing riders to cover distances of up to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on the terrain and riding style. The convenience of a removable battery means you can easily take it out for charging, whether at home or work, without needing to bring the entire bike indoors. The charging time is around 6 to 8 hours, which is reasonable for a battery of this capacity. Additionally, the battery is designed for longevity, with a lifespan of around 800 charge cycles, ensuring your investment will last. Comfort is another area where this electric bike excels. The ergonomic design includes a comfortable saddle and adjustable handlebars, allowing riders of varying heights to find their optimal riding position. The bike is equipped with front suspension forks, which significantly enhance the riding experience by absorbing shocks and bumps from uneven terrains. Whether you're riding on city streets or tackling a rougher path, the suspension works effectively to provide a smooth ride. The bike is fitted with a 7-speed transmission system that offers versatility in different riding conditions. This feature allows you to switch gears effortlessly, providing better control whether you're climbing hills or cruising on flat surfaces. The inclusion of disc brakes, both front and rear, ensures reliable stopping power, which is crucial for safety at higher speeds. The brakes engage smoothly and provide a responsive feel, giving riders confidence in their stopping ability. In terms of aesthetics, the bike has a sleek and modern design with vibrant color options that make it stand out. The LED headlight and rear light improve visibility during night rides, enhancing safety for evening commutes. Additionally, reflective elements on the bike ensure that you remain visible to others on the road. However, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. While the bike's weight does contribute to its sturdiness, it may be a bit heavy for some users, especially those who are not accustomed to handling larger e-bikes. Furthermore, while the folding mechanism is practical, repeated folding and unfolding may cause wear over time, so it's advisable to handle it with care. Finally, the bike's price point may be seen as a drawback for budget-conscious buyers. However, considering the features, build quality, and performance, it offers excellent value for those seeking a reliable and capable electric bike. In conclusion, the 1000W folding electric bike with a 48V 20.8AH large removable battery is a remarkable option for anyone seeking an efficient and powerful mode of transportation. Its combination of speed, range, comfort, and portability makes it an ideal choice for both daily commuting and leisurely rides. While it may not